Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax, and today we're in Lake Mackenzie, known obviously for their beautiful private and exclusive lake, available only to residents in this community, and actually only half of this community. So we are headed to a very prestigious street. That's Mount Assiniboine Circle. There's a lot of very executive homes in the area and on the street. Now, this community is perfect for families. We all know that. There's so many high-ranking schools and parks, playgrounds. Access is awesome. Maybe enough of me talking. We'll head on over there. I'll meet you there. So as soon as you come in, you'll notice it's very open concept, and it's interesting because we're built in the 90s. You kind of have an interesting mix between some of that separation, but still very open. Now, great space for obviously a home office. Become very popular this day and age. Right off the front entrance, we have a half bath, our laundry area, as well as access to the garage. So obviously very convenient. Now, moving with that open concept layout I've been telling you about. Wide open, great for entertaining and families. There have been lots of updates. You notice the newer stainless steel appliances, gas stove, corner pantry, great size breakfast nook here. Of course, this opens to a living room with a gas fireplace. You get a bit of a glimpse out into the backyard here. Let's go take a peek. Now, this is why we come into areas like this. They're so established and mature, very, very private. You get a lot of sun here. This is a newer deck as well. Now, basement is fully finished, although some updates could be done if you required. This is actually the 5th bedroom. There's 4 bedrooms up. There's a full bathroom here as well, so great space for the teenagers, or maybe even guests that are staying for a little longer, and a wide open rec room as well. Now, upstairs, very unique as well. You saw the office space downstairs. This is actually a bit of a second office. Now, you can, in a clear day, actually see a great view of the mountains. Here's our first bedroom. Really good size as well. Second bedroom, great windows and exposure over to the mountains. Great size closet. There's extra storage in here. This one is very clean. Now, welcome to your master bedroom. This faces your backyard with his and her closets. There's room in here for extra furniture, and of course a full bathroom as well with the shower and the tub. Now, also upstairs we have a 4th bedroom. So again, calling all you families. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. We're going to be hitting the market under $500,000, which is an incredible price for this size of home in this area. Now, if you guys have any questions or would like to book a private viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.